The diagram here shows the prime meridian at 0 degree longitude. See this diagram? This vertical line is at 0 degree and this line is called prime meridian. It runs from north pole to the south pole. Okay. The meridians of longitude to the east of the prime meridian are numbered from 1 degree east up to 180 degree E for east. Similarly, the meridians of longitude to the west of the prime meridian are numbered from 1 degree west up to 180 degree west. Let's understand with the help of diagram. See this, degrees are mentioned here. It is prime meridian. This is eastern hemisphere. It is western hemisphere. Like latitude, longitude also measured in degrees. See this, you can see these degrees. Prime meridian also called Greenwich meridian. Why? Because it runs through Greenwich near London. So that it is also called Greenwich meridian. And longitude run from North Pole to South Pole. 20 degree east, 40 degree east, 60 degree east, 80 degree east and so on. It is in eastern hemisphere. Then here 20 degree west, 40 degree west, 60, 80 and so on. These are in western. Children, see this diagram. This middle line is called prime meridian. It is 0 degree longitude. Children, all these lines are imaginary lines. Now here see these degrees. These are measured in numbers. These are up to 180 degree in eastern side and up to 180 degree in western side. Prime meridian divides the earth into two equal halves. The prime meridian too divides the earth into two equal parts. Children, see this diagram. It is prime meridian. This also divides the earth into two equal parts. Children, like equator, prime meridian also divides the earth into two equal halves. Equator divides the earth horizontally and prime meridian divides the earth vertically. Okay. The area between 0 degree longitude and 180 degree east is called the eastern hemisphere and the area between 0 degree longitude and 180 degree west is called the western hemisphere. Now see this diagram, children. This middle line is called prime meridian. East side it is eastern hemisphere. West side it is western hemisphere. It is measured from 0 degree to 180 and they are marked with letter W in western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere they are marked with letter E. Okay. Children, see this diagram. This red line indicates prime meridian and this yellow line indicates equator. These both the lines are at 0 degree and these lines divides the earth into two equal halves. Equator divides the earth horizontally and prime meridian divides the earth vertically. Prime meridian run from north pole to south pole and equator runs from east to west. However, 180 degree east and 180 degree west is the same longitude and is known as 180 degree or the international date line, children. See this, children. This is prime meridian 0 degree and just opposite this line there is 180 degree mentioned. This line is shared by both east longitude longitude and west longitude. There is one line and that is shared by both the longitude, eastern longitude and western longitude. Now children, if we want to see that line, international date line, we have to rotate the globe. Okay, now see this children. Now we are seeing opposite side of prime meridian. This is international date line children. When we have rotated the globe, directions are also changed. Now west direction is here, 90 degree, 120 degree, 150, and this is 180 degree. Here east, 90 degree, 120 degree, 150 degree, and this is 180 degree. Children, this 180 degree longitude is shared by both the longitudes. Now see these children, both the diagram you can see at a time. It is prime meridian, 30, 60, 90 and so on, eastern side. 30, 60, 90 western side. Now this is international date line children. Here now when we have rotated the globe, directions are also changed. Now west direction is here and east direction is here. Okay.